In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check spelling and grammar in a Microsoft Outlook email. Crafting an email with proper grammar and spelling is crucial for maintaining professionalism and clarity. Luckily, Microsoft Outlook comes with built-in tools to help ensure your emails are polished and error-free. Let's dive right into how you can take advantage of these features. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook and proceed to compose a new email. Once you have your new email draft open, the next step is to navigate to the Review tab. You'll find this at the top of your window, right there among the various options that Outlook provides for composing and customizing your message. The Review tab is where you'll find the tools you need to review and perfect your content, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. Now that you've accessed the Review tab, look for the Spelling and Grammar option and give it a click. This is where the magic happens. By selecting this, Outlook initiates its spell check feature. Instantly, it begins scanning your entire draft for any spelling or grammatical errors. Potential mistakes are highlighted, making them easily noticeable. One of the best parts of this feature is that it doesn't just point out errors, it also suggests corrections. Often, you'll see suggestions that help improve not just spelling, but also enhance sentence structure and grammar clarity. For each mistake flagged, you're presented with a choice. You can decide to change the error using the suggestion provided by Outlook, ignore it if you believe it has been falsely flagged, or add the word to your personal dictionary if it's a term you use frequently but isn't recognized by the software. A helpful tip to remember: if you're looking for a quicker way to access the spell check feature without navigating through tabs, you can simply press the F7 key on your keyboard. This shortcut promptly launches the spell checker for you. It's a straightforward and efficient way to ensure your emails are always top-notch, especially when you're in a hurry but still want to maintain high standards in your communication. By following these steps, you'll find that your email composition in Outlook becomes smoother and more professional, free from the distraction of errors and the potential embarrassment they might cause. Remember, whether it's a quick note or an important professional communication, effective writing conveys your message clearly and respectfully. So, make sure to utilize these tips to enhance your email writing skills. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy emailing!